In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you spend a lot of time working at night or in low-light environments. It changes the appearance of Word from a bright white interface to a darker, more comfortable look, while still keeping all of your tools and features exactly where you expect them to be. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can open either a blank document or any existing document. It doesn't matter for this process. Once Word is open, look toward the very top left corner of the window and find the File tab. Go ahead and click on File. This will open what's called the Backstage view, where you see options like New, Open, Save, and so on. On the left-hand side of this view, look for the option labeled Options, usually toward the bottom of the list. Click on Options, and a new window will pop up called Word Options. This is where you can customize how Word looks and behaves. In the Word Options window, make sure you're on the General section. If you're not, just click General in the list on the left. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu for Office theme. This is where you can switch to dark mode. Click on the Office theme drop-down, and you'll see choices like colorful, dark gray, and black. To get a full dark mode experience, choose black. If you prefer something a bit softer but still darker than the default, you can pick dark gray instead. Once you've selected the theme you want, click OK at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. You'll notice that the Word interface updates right away. The ribbon, the background, and menus will now appear in dark colors. Depending on your version of Word and your system settings, your document background may still appear white while the interface is dark. If that's the case, and you'd like the page itself to appear dark while you type, look for the View or Mode toggle in the toolbar where you can switch between light and dark reading modes. If at any time you want to go back to the original look, just follow the same steps, return to the Word Options window, and switch the Office theme back to colorful or white. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Microsoft Word.